This is exercise 3.2 question number 4. Which of the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. Now consistent, it means that they should have at least one solution. And if no solution is there, then they are inconsistent. Okay, let us see. The first one, I will compare with, here I write down, comparing with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 which is equal to 0 respectively. Now a1 means coefficient of x in the first equation and a2 means coefficient of x in the second equation. So a1 by a2 which is equal to 1 by 2. See, here 1 is there and here 2 is there. Now in the second case, b1 by b2 which is equal to 1 by 2. Same here, 1 and here 2. Only y is there, it means that coefficient is 1. Okay. And here c1 by c2, it means that this 5 will come this side, it will become minus 5. And c2 means 10 will come this side, it is minus 10. 5 ones are and 5 twos are, negative negative cancelled. See, observe all the ratios are equal. It means that a1 by a2 which is equal to b1 by b2 which is equal to c1 by c2. Therefore lines are coincident. Coincident means what? Infinitely many solutions. It means that lines are consistent. Therefore here lines are consistent. Correct? Now as the lines are consistent, we need to draw the graph. Graph for the equation, this one, x plus y which is equal to 5. I can write down x which is equal to 5 minus y. And here easily you will get the solutions. If y which is equal to 1, you will get x which is equal to 4 because 5 minus 1 will become 4 and so on. Okay. Now second equation you see. Second equation is 2x plus 2y here. 2y which is equal to 10. If I want to write down equation x equal to, I will write down 10 minus 2y and here x which is equal to 10 minus 2y by 2. Here also if you take a value of y as 1. So what happens here then? X which is equal to 10 minus 2 by 2. So 8 by 2 is 4. Correct? Here also I get this one, value of this one, x is 4 and y is 1. Same here, x is 4, y is 1. In this way, I will find out three solutions for each equation. Let us see for the first equation. See here in the table I have written all the values. If I take y is equal to 1, I get x equal to 4. If I take y equal to 3, I get x equal to 2. And here if I take 0, I get x equal to 5. And all these 3 points I plotted on the graph. Look at this one, 4, 1. 4 on the x-axis, 1 on the y-axis. This is the point here. Then 2, 3. 2 on the x-axis and 3 on the y-axis. This is the second point. And third one is 5, 0. It means that on the x-axis. This is the third point. And then we have drawn the line through these 3 points. Correct? Now come to the second equation here. First one already we have done. Second one you see. Now here if you take y equal to 2, I get x equal to 3. See the red points here. Okay. So 3, 2. 3, 2. This point comes here. Then 0, 5. This point comes here. And 1, 4. This point comes here. Right. So the equation for the second equation, once again we have drawn the line. And what we found? We found that both the lines are overlapping lines. These are the points for the first equation, right? And these are the points for the second equation. That means lines are coincident and they have infinitely many solutions. Correct? Now see here, at the right top corner I have written the scale. X-axis 1 division. Value of this 1 division is 1 unit. and here value of this one division is also 1 unit. Correct? We have written the scale also, we have mentioned this x and y also. All those things are important to mention on the graph paper. So finally what you will write down? These two lines have infinitely many solutions. Correct? Let us move towards the another sum. Or one more thing we have left here? Yes, one more thing we have left here. Once we have drawn the graph, after that the final thing what we supposed to do here? Final thing we supposed to write down equation of the line on the graph. This one is the first equation and this one is the second equation. For both the equations, the same graph line is there. Okay, let us see the second one. Now once again we'll compare this one with here comparing with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So a1 by a2, if you observe here, x means coefficient is 1 and here 3. Then b1 by b2, here coefficient is minus 1 and b2 is minus 3. So negative negative cancel. c1 by c2, this 8 will come in this side, it became minus 8, and 16 will come this side, it will become minus this one 16. So 8 ones are 8 twos are. Observe all the three ratios. First two ratios are equal. a1 by a2 which is equal to b1 by b2 which is not equal to c1 by c2. It means that what? Lines are parallel. So no solution. No solution. It means that lines are inconsistent. So here lines are inconsistent. Correct? As these lines are inconsistent, no solution is there. So there is no need to draw the graph according to the question. Right? Let us see the next one. Look at the third one here. Once again, first we'll see whether they are consistent or inconsistent. So what we need to do? We need to compare with which equations? a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 which is equal to 0. We get a1 by a2, 2 by 4, 2 ones are 2 twos are. Here b1 by b2, it is 1 by minus 2, and c1 by c2 which is equal to minus 6 by minus 4. Minus minus cancel, 2 threes are and 2 twos are. Look at the ratio. In the first ratio only we come to know both the ratios are not equal. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 because this first ratio is 1 by 2 and second is minus 1 by 2. That as these two ratios are not equal, that means lines are intersecting lines. Intersecting lines means one solution. It means that lines are consistent. So here lines are consistent. Correct? As the lines are consistent, we need to draw the graph. So graph for the first line here, equation of the first line is what? 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. So we'll write down this equation as y which is equal to 6 minus 2x. What I did? This y I have kept here. Minus 6 went that side, it became positive, and 2x went that side, it became negative. So I got this format. So in this format I'll substitute the value. For example, suppose I take x which is equal to 0. So I get y which is equal to what? This became 0. So y equal to 6 I got. This way I will find out how many solutions? 3 solutions. Now come to the second equation. Second equation is 4x minus 2y minus 4. Right? Which is equal to 0. Now once again here I want to write down y is equal to. So what I will do? This minus 2y I will send it that side. So it will become like this way. Plus 2y which is equal to 4x minus 4. And this y which is equal to 4x minus 4 divided by 2. What can we do here? We can take 2 common from here, 2. So here 2x minus 2 divided by 2, cancel it. See, so you got equation y which is equal to 2x minus 2. Now you can take here, suppose x is equal to 0 you are taking. So this term will become 0 and y which is equal to minus 2. Exactly this way you will find out 3 more solutions and then we'll draw the graph. Let us see the graph for the first equation. See here, the first equation we wrote here this way. Here I have written y which is equal to 6 minus 2x. If x equal to 0, y is equal to 6. If x equal to 1 here, so 6 minus 2 into 1, so it is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. So I got the answer 4 here. And here as 2 x equal to 2, I got y is equal to 2. In this way we found 3 solutions for the equation. And here 0, 6, this one is the point. 1, 4, 1 on the x-axis, 4 on the y-axis. This is the second equation. And 2, 2, this is the third equation. And then we have drawn the graph. Correct? Now let us see the graph for the second line also. This blue color graph is for the first line and this red color line is for the second equation. Okay? Now here, when x equal to 1, I got y is equal to 0. See here, y which is equal to 2. This is 1 minus 2. So our answer comes as 0. So this way I substituted x equal to 2. I got y is equal to 2. X equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. See, 1, 0. We got this equation 1, 0. This one, this point we got 2, 2. This is the point and 3, 4. This is the point. And through these 3 points we have drawn the line. Correct? Now one more thing, see here, we have written the scale also. Scale on x-axis 1 division. You see 1 division is equal to 1 unit. Right? 5 minus 4 is 1. Same on the y-axis also we have written the scale. 1 division is equal to 1 unit. How to write down? This 1 division you will take and bigger number minus the smaller number you will do. And then you will write down the scale. Now the final thing is this one. See? On these graph lines we are supposed to write down the equation. This graph line is for this equation and this line, blue color line, is for this equation. Correct? Now from the graph we need to write down the solution. Look at this intersection point, this point. What is that? 2, 2. Therefore, the solution is 2, 2. Correct? This is the final solution from the graph. Let us see the next one now. Here. Here also, comparing with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 which is equal to 0, and then a1 by a2, 2 by 4, this is 2, this is 4. You can cancel it, 1 by 2. b1 by b2 which is equal to minus 2 by minus 4. Minus 2 by minus 4, minus minus cancel, 2 1s are 2 2s are. c1 by c2 which is equal to minus 2 and minus 5 here. Minus 2 and minus 5, minus minus cancelled. Just see the ratios. First two ratios are equal. Correct. And third one is not equal. That means lines are what? Parallel lines. Parallel lines means what? No solution. No solution means what? Lines are inconsistent. Lines are inconsistent. So no need to draw the graph for this one. Correct? I hope all of you understood all these 4 sums. Thank you.